Hi, hello viewers. This is Ravi. In this video, I will show you how to design front page in Microsoft Word or how to make cover page design in Microsoft Word. Before going to that, a small request. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now let us see the concept how to make a front page design in Microsoft Word, or we can also call as cover page design in Microsoft Word. Now let us see. First of all, we have to click on page layout. We have to click on page layout. In that, we have to set the margins, custom margin, to make all zeros, top, left, right, bottom, all zeros. Left also 0, right also 0, top, left, right and bottom also 0, right. After that, in size, okay, in page layout tab, page setup group, size, you click on A4 size, right, okay. First of all, we have to type the school heading. For example, here we are taking a school heading. For that, insert word art. Here some styles are not there, so for that what I am doing is I am saving this document into, see here, save as type Word document, Word 97 2003 document. Why? Because in 2003 Microsoft version there are some styles. For that I am saving this document. Actually this is 2010 version, but I am saving this file, Word file, in 2003 document. So now you observe here 2003 styles will come, see here, okay. So now I am taking this style. We have to type here okay, right. So click on wrap text is there na, click here and click on in front of text, okay. So just drag this one. After that we have to adjust with this, right. See here, right, okay. So now let us take the border. See here, for that click on page layout. Here you observe page background is there na, page background, this one, this group, okay. Here page borders is there na, click on this page border, and we have to here, so number of borders you will observe. Here we have to go for art, option art, click on this drop down arrow button and you observe here we have number of borders. I am selecting this one, so this border, okay. So we have to decrease the font size here. Why? Because this text is coming onto the border, that's why select here, click on format, edit text, for example 24 MB, 24, yes, right, okay. Okay, right. So next one is we have to type the address, school address. For that I am taking text box. In this I am typing, see here, okay, select this one and I'm decreasing the font size here. Okay, after that click on format. Shape fill is there now, no fill and no outline, right? So we can move the text wherever we want here. So like this. Okay, Gurukul English Medium School, Digras, address also given. So now we have to insert the logo of the school here. So for that I have inserted the logo here. Right click, copy, just click here, paste, see here. Okay, for this also format, we have to go for wrap text in front of text. Click here and we can bring the here and we can decrease the size also, see here. Okay, right. Right, okay, right. So next one is we have to write the session here. See here, session means again click on insert, shapes, session we have to write here like this. Which session this is, and here I am selecting the font size, this one, and the font size is 20, session T2 T1. Okay, if you want to increase the size, again select it and right. After that again click on format, shape fill, no fill and no outline. Yes, right. Okay, after that, so we have to give the subject name. For that also click on insert, shapes, in shapes, text box, or for subject we can take from word art. I'm taking this one. Subject is, select this one and you write here subject computer and decrease the font size. See here, for this also we have to click on wrap text in front of text. Automatically that will come here. See here. Okay, just drag front side here, this side. Okay, right. After that, so next one is again shapes text box. Here so we have to write submitted 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 to Ravi Gems. Enter. Submitted by Nandini. Okay, right. So if you want to increase the size, select this one, home tab. This is the size. Okay, and if you want to give that, so if you want to drag, you can drag like this. If you want to apply any effects means, see here, you will have, see, you can give like this also, and the font color we can give yellow here. Okay, right. So if you want to give the color for this also, select this one, and if you want to fill the shape, fill the shape. If you want to give the color for this also, fill the shape. Right. If you want to give some more colors means, shape fill, gradient, so like this. Okay, right. So if you want to give color for this also, this border also, again go to page layout, page borders. Here the color is there now. Here we can give the color. See which color you want. For example, red color. Okay. If you want to change this color, again you can change the color for this one. Okay. So this is how we can prepare the front page design in Microsoft Word. If you have any queries or if you have any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.